चौघट मोड़ दिया।
आगे से जाना पड़ेगा। मतलब 9 तो अभी हो जाएगा यहाँ। नेक्स्ट ईयर से हम आता तो
Politeness costs nothing but earns everything. Treating everyone with respect builds trust.
Join them. Come.
It contains copper instead of iron. Number 2. Stars damaged by accidental blast in Srinagar. 3 more detained in Delhi blast case. Demand round updates and fun facts. It's always great to begin our day well informed. Good morning everyone. My name is Adhivasi and today I am going to test your knowledge with some. Well done. Correct answer is diamond. Question number 4. Take a pledge to practice politeness in our daily lives. Please repeat after me. I pledge to be polite and respectful to everyone. To spread kindness and politeness wherever I go. Thank you everyone for taking this pledge. Let's carry this promise in our hearts from today. Now I would like to invite
To other relatives to be kind and polite. Yes? Are we or not? So you have to become messengers for politeness, kindness, sympathy, empathy, which we have been speaking about. Fine?
Grade 4 to 8 about turn. Council members, move to position, move fast. Grade 1, move. Grade 4, move. Hands at the back.
needed, then you will have to have nets on top.
रखा है सर ये सर विंटर में ही करते हैं सारा काम and then in addition to that we
Mohid Wani Hospital or Mohid Hospital.
Name is that. Zoom Dari. I have named this as Zoom Dari. These are some scouts and guides. Yes. No, we haven't, but we know. These people only are. When we went for camp, sir, Imran sir is there. He's a trainer for scouts and guides. Yes.
I found that is 32 GB RAM.
Connects the school software also.
Yeah.
ERP is also connected here.
Yeah, and this is also based on ERP connected to the server, library module, supporting children. And every classroom, every corridor has computer service. The children have free access to it. Yes, it is free. Free access to it. Now walking and exploring. They are exploring GRP. Yes. Like we are developing the mobile applications. And we have
We are presenting the application of presentation for CBSE inspection is like some. You can go. So actually, sir, Girivaika Public School aligned with National Education Policy 2020 and aligned with NCF, fostering the environment for students. And we know there are lots of challenges for tomorrow. And honestly, sir, we are touching only topics like politeness, empathy, sympathy, humanity. And what happened? We had a week which was no honking week, not week, a month. So then early in the morning, one day, and there are some face-to-face training. And now also in January we are going to start teachers. Last winter also.
Children for mathematics, sir using these weights and for these properties, we trying to make them understand how these algebraic expressions, this controlling equations, how balancing method is done, using these weight tables and weight numbers, so that they can the result is not affected. Using this balanced tissue, and this property has been before we have understood property of water. What are we using it for? Yes, only taking these measurements,
Project work, we have registered in Manik also. So उसमें हमारे बच्चों ने काफी सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स भेजे हैं. आपके बच्चे
Yesterday I went to my friend is in the army.
किससे जगा दिए?
Sodium bisulfate, sodium chloride, sodium hydrogen bicarbonate,
What happened in one of the schools in Udhampur last month? Children took sodium from the lab.
Is that exactly?
All we keep it under lock only.
Yes. Register. You should write इसकी expiry कब है, so that you can keep on shuttling that. Sir, with writing, there is an NCERT kit available.
सर ये हमारे बच्चे बना रहे हैं, we have an event coming known as Zoom Dali, we have tribute to Kashmiri poets.
Okay.
So set भी हम खुद ही बना रहे हैं, set in अभी 26 को है, तो invite we are.
You have a teacher here. You have a.
Our teacher में so वो
अच्छा.
talent worker and always keeps.
Mostly things are done being made out of waste.
ये सारे mostly जो है जो भी हमारे स्कूल में करते हुए जो भी आते हैं वो यही सारे waste. We made this also ice cream. This thing is also out of waste. Then he did this.
This is clay pot.
Anybody is walking outside library उसको पता है अंदर newspaper ये है.
जी सर, ये चीज़ें सीनियर
Sometimes it's an additional class.
Generally, what are the studies?
Sometimes I am shoot the book sometimes, and sometimes I am reading good stories. These are the junior stories.
Even parents would be able to see.
Yes, everyone.
You need to enter all
Yes,
the all issue and
Currently, I-
receipt has been taken to ERP.
No, currently I am working on it.
So what I propose is that at least we'll fix some handles. कुछ handles यही fix कर देंगे sir. So that is what I propose.
We need to create a ramp here for them.
Yeah, we need a ramp and
one ramp will be required. And use there.
क्योंकि हमारे बड़े बच्चे ऊपर है तो
इसको zoom करके देखो.
Sure, sir.
इसके आगे steps है. You should have fixed hanging from the ceiling where
हमारे?
touch. Otherwise there will be it's a temporary thing. So you should have some permanent structure, some flex, not flex. Denied are there.
this is proposed room section.
We have to put some direction rules also somewhere.
Think about it.
बुला रहे ऑफिस में बुला रहे.
only one class you can have.
Anybody.
Okay. And it's the rose.
कभी कभार यहाँ भी आता है. Do you know what story is this? Yes, this is about greedy dog. And he was very hungry. So what he did, he was walking over market and then he animal. So what he did, he took it in his mouth and ran away. He ran in the so he opened his mouth and the boar fell.
अलग नहीं है तो फॉर्म वगैरह करने के लिए प्लान्स वगैरह कभी बनाने होते हैं, फ्री टाइम होता है, they develop these things for the students also here.
A few pencils down, we are going to start with Coco. Fine. He was at his home and he was doing his homework. So his mama had alone at home. So what happened while doing his homework? He felt hungry. Okay. He wanted to eat, so he went straight to the kitchen. Right.
Ground. So these are the by adding a prefix. So these all are prefixes. So by bigger or smaller. So kilometer. So it is a bigger unit of base unit meter. Okay. If we add hecto.
The term Katha is derived from Katha. That means storytelling. Any form of dance जहाँ से हम where we discuss और with the steps. आज भी आशा नहीं आता वो एक जन्म थी. छोटा भीम किसने देखा आपने? छोटा. Can you tell me the characters of छोटा भीम?
It was Chhota Bheem, the main character was
Okay.
and it was Tundun Mosi.
Tundun Mosi, Loddu Mosi. Okay.
And it was
Music was the melody. No, that Sufi and Bhakti song. No. Do you remember the song? Was it?
Yeah.
So whenever you saw the Daku Mangal Singh, you directly get the idea of fear. There is something fear in it. He is not friendly with the but we do a dance movies. Okay. It was originally a group of people, caste. There is word caste. Residing in temples. Because at earlier times this was being done in temples. Because temple, we also know madrasas, pathshalas. These were the basic centers of learning. Where we disseminated knowledge to the people, masses. Like Buddha standing on a stone, many of his preachers or these students in front of him. The same. This Kathak was being learned, disseminated, but it takes time. When a particular Raja got the information of a special dance move, उसने बुलाया लोगों को, आप भाई क्या कर रहे हैं? What was that noise? What was that drum sound? They gave the darbar code, not that constitution code. That was quite inspired with that moment. It got a good influence on the people. That story is being told. How? Not with the mouth. That we usually get the tradition. No, but that's something.
Lie down, lie down. It's for ABC from grade nursery to grade 8.
How many times a year do you do this medical checkup?
From last year.
Some health checkup.
Yes, routine health checkup. क्या हो गया? This is it. Then we have
Stomach ache. आपको क्या? So it was really nice. कभी हमारी जैसे हमने
Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir, yes, sir. Yes, just either cognitive behavioral therapy and giving cognitive therapy and giving, I'm just giving counseling sessions, and I'm just actually I'm maternity leave, sir.
Coming directly to you as well?
Sometimes, sir. Actually, ma'am was just giving them counseling before me. Then she has referred these cases to me, and we both are working together because I'm learning a lot from ma'am also.
No, I have to learn from you. This is your opinion. It's just because I have been associated with Sri for a long time, so I know. Otherwise, I
Before this, she was counseling.
She can be guidance.
Yes,
She
sir.
can be a counselor.
Yes, yes, that's right.
Counseling is professional thing.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, that's right.
I have a lot of experience with children, but I cannot be a counselor.
Yes,
I
but
can
she
be
has a lot
guide.
of experience, that's why she has
Right.
guided me.
Right. There are two members who are here for inspection of the CBSE. Switching over from state board to CBSE has a lot of responsibilities. First, should read the document NEP 2020. किसने पढ़ी है? Anybody read it? Correct बोलिए. किसने पढ़ा है? Give me a hand please. कितने पेजेस पढ़े? क्या पढ़ा है इसमें आपने? 39 pages which are there for school education. As a school educator, we all must read that document. Today is we are preparing them for 21st century skills, which will be required because see, we might prepare our children today. The skills that they learn today may not be required tomorrow. A lot of changes must be required. So first we need to make them work for 21st learning process be experiential. Experiential means let them learn through experiment. Even though you all are doing a wonderful job, but that's what we can very well understand. And the school is also trying to push maximum these skills have to be developed. उसके लिए you need to upgrading yourself. CBSE के पोर्टल के ऊपर कॉम्पिटेंसी के मैनुअल जाते हैं, you have to read it. बुक्स में कॉम्पिटेंसीज आती हैं, you have to read it and prepare the children accordingly. एक चीज दूसरा, if you practice them, they will practice. अगर आप प्रैक्टिस नहीं करेंगे तो वो नहीं कर पाएंगे. Who is the senior most teacher here? Then you will recommend out of our experience. CBSE norm के साथ ये 4 चीजें होनी चाहिए, which the school has said yes. नहीं, state board और CBSE
में हम एज पर ना अभी चेंज हुआ है, घर जाके काम शुरू होता है. इसका मतलब ये है कि डेवलप करने की कॉम्पिटेंसी है क्या? कॉम्पिटेंसी मतलब ये है कि जो चीज़ आप पढ़ा रहे हो
आ रहा है गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट इज प्राइवेट स्कूल सोसाइटी रजिस्टर्ड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया. आपका सोसाइटी रजिस्टर्ड ट्रस्ट है सर? ट्रस्ट है. डॉक्यूमेंट ये 2.1
This is very important.
आपके पार्टनर सोसाइटी रजिस्ट्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट कौन सा बना है? डिक्लेरेशन हो गई, डॉक्यूमेंट रजिस्टर हो गई, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से आपको डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं आपको कोई मिला रजिस्टर्ड सोसाइटी?
ये सोसाइटी इसमें यार
Trust.
सोसाइटी होनी चाहिए या ट्रस्ट होना चाहिए वन ऑफ द टू
आपको सर्टिफिकेट नहीं मिला है कि दिस इज द
ये
ट्रस्ट?
एक्चुअली मुझे अपलोडिंग में आता है अपलोडिंग में आता है ना वहाँ पे लिखा है उंगली
नहीं वो तो है।
हाँ नहीं ये ट्रस्टेड
मेरा लैपटॉप बैग लाया
इससे पूछेंगे, टाइम देंगे, फिर और थोड़ा सा टाइम 15 दिन शायद और देंगे, then they can, so if they have no objection, we'll take directly from there.
ये क्लॉज क्या है? वी हैव अ रेफरेंस 2.15 2.16 ये एफिलिएशन वाला क्लॉज है?
ये पहला बार आप लोग किया हुआ ये फिर हम इसकी तस्वीर रिलीज दी
ये वही डॉक्यूमेंट है ना जो हमारा सिस्टम
रिलीज का ये नहीं चला
वो लीज डॉक्यूमेंट
हाँ
निकाला है ना
ये बिल्डिंग सेफ्टी आ गया 1 block 5 floors
रिलीज तो
किसी में है
ये आपने
ये
साइड पे भी
सर वी हैव ऑलरेडी रिमूव्ड दिस
ये तो अब ये एक्स्ट्रा हो
जब
गया
हमने अपलोड किया था तब भी यही था।
आपने आपकी वजह से आपने ये रिन्यू भी कर दी जी
ये तो एक्चुअली रिन्यू ही है।
सर को पता है मैं कह रहा हूँ
हाँ सर को बहुत पता है सब इन चीज़ों का, गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में।
तो वाटर आपके यहाँ पे पंप वाला ही सप्लाई है अपना
बेसिकली
ग्राउंड पंप
वो इमरजेंसी यूज के लिए
अच्छा।
जैसे प्लांट से आ रहा है सब लोग
प्लांट से आ रहा है।
लेकिन हम बच्चों को वो भी नहीं मिला रहे हम बिना वाटर मिला रहे हैं बच्चों को
हर इस पे डिस्पेंसर
डिस्पेंसर लगा हुआ है बिना वाटर आ रहा है
कैंपस से वाले
अगर हमें कभी इमरजेंसी हो ना सर नहीं आया तो तब
तो
हम
रोज
मिलते हैं।
रोज रोज तक 20 केस जाते हैं रोज वो नलके का पानी उसमें प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो हम जानते हैं कि क्या क्या आता है उसके साथ
इसलिए हम
इसलिए हम
drinking
वो भी नहीं
water
कर रहे।
नहीं, वहाँ सीधा ये डिस्पेंसर से
उसके लिए पे कर रहे हैं हम एनर्जी दे रहे हैं तो उसमें वो भी एनर्जी किया हुआ है ड्रिंकिंग वाटर दिला रहे हैं बच्चों को
और अब हम आरओ सिस्टम ही ना कम बिकॉज अब स्ट्रेंथ बढ़ गई ना बच्चों, अब तो ये बहुत एक्सपेंसिव हो रहा है सर हमारे
आपको सेंट्रलाइज लगाना
हाँ अब
पड़ेगा।
लगाएंगे सर क्योंकि अभी तक कम बचे थे अब अभी क्या कभी बोलते हैं क्रैश हो गई कभी क्या
पोर्टल काम नहीं कर रहा
नहीं कर रहा सर
ऑर्डर रिन्यू करने वाला मैनेजिंग बॉडी स्कूल की मैनेजिंग बॉडी कौन सा बड़ा ड्राइवर है
माय गॉड सर मैं एक बार डीसी ऑफिस में पूरा दिन खड़ी रही सर मैं खुद गई
क्यों नहीं
मैं
शौकत सर के पास
बस जैसे एसएमसी है एक दूसरा में पीटीए का भी एक रेगुलेशन था वो एक बार चेक कर लेते हैं वो एक आ जाएगा उसी इम्प्रूव क्या करने का